Hello, Chef, and today I'm cooking with daikon radish. I wanted to share this with you. I'm going to make a real quick dressing, and for that dressing it's going to be just a little bit of garlic. Garlic goes in. Okay, and for this dressing here I'm going to be using some balsamic vinegar, olive oil, okay, some sugar, black sesame seeds, fresh grated, fresh dried ginger. I'm going to grate a little bit of ginger in here real quickly. Cut-proof glove. Save the fingers. Wow, ginger's strong. There's a little bit of orange zest. Just a tiny bit. Very, very fine zest is all I'm putting in here. Just want a little bit of flavor. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do, blend this together real quick. Let those flavors come together. You know I'm missing sea salt. Gotta have some fresh ground salt in there. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this daikon and peel it up real quick. As you know, these are expensive. You don't want to waste any of it, so you want to peel it very gently. Daikon.